Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add a new user to your organization in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go right top corner when you go to your company. I got demo company, so as a showcase. Then just click here on settings. And right here you're gonna see users. So click on it. And here you can simply add users. So if I would change it to here, and click settings, users, you can simply invite a user here. First name, last name, email, and you can like how much access they're going to have. Admin, business, and accounting. Access do they need? So you can like invite advisor, read only, etc. So this is how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and then you just like send invite. You just need to set it up as you want, right? It's like simple. If you want an admin, you choose an admin here. Or if you want like business accounting, you go with like read only for accountants, or you go for advisor. And yeah. Or invoice only someone if you get like staff or something. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See you.